Such types of shorts videos get millions of views on YouTube and Instagram. I will show you how to create such videos. Open your favorite web browser and visit chatgpt.com. Now here, you have to describe your prompt and ask ChatGPT to modify and refine the prompt. You have to give a reference prompt to ChatGPT. See what prompt I gave to the ChatGPT. Pause the video and read the entire prompt I entered. I added all my requirements in the prompt. For example, to make the eagle's body identical to humans, I added the term anthropomorphic to the prompt. Additionally, I also described the camera angle. Highlight only the important details in your prompt, and ChatGPT will refine your prompt accordingly. ChatGPT has given me video prompts of national animals of 4 different countries. Let's create a video of the bald eagle. Copy the entire prompt and visit Google AI Studio in a new tab on your web browser. Click Generate Media and then click VO. Select the desired video aspect ratio. From here, select the video duration. Now, paste the copied prompt and click Run or press the Control and Enter keys. VO will take some time to generate the video. After the video is generated, play it. You can full screen the video. If the video meets your standards, you can download it. Otherwise, you can generate the video again. Now, back to ChatGPT and copy the next prompt. Let's copy the prompt to generate a video of anthropomorphic panda. Paste the copied prompt back to VO in Google AI Studio and click the Run button or hit the Control and Enter. Sometimes, the prompt does not work well and generate an undesired video output. I will show you what you can do in such a case. I generated the prompt for European bison, the national animal of Belarus. ChatGPT generated the similar prompt, but this time, the prompt did not work well, and I got this video output. If you get such an undesired video output, what you can do is use a good text-to-image generator tool and generate the image. I suggest Leonardo AI. The best part of Leonardo AI is it automatically modifies your prompt. Hence, you do not need to enter the complex prompt. Even simple prompts work well with Leonardo AI. All the images are awesome and up to my mark. Let's download this one. Now, back to Google AI Studio. Click this Add an Image button and select the Upload Image option. Now, select the downloaded image from your PC. To tell VO use the uploaded image as a reference image, write the prompt in the end, use the uploaded image as reference. Click Run. This time, I got the desired video output. If you want, you can also change the background of the image in Leonardo AI. For example, I changed the background to the royal background by adding a simple line. Add a royal background in the end. Let's generate a new video using the new image I generated and download the generated video. Open any video editor. I suggest Clipchamp. Click Create a new video. Select the video size to vertical format for your shorts. Select the downloaded videos and drag all of them to upload to the Clipchamp. Drag the videos one by one to the timeline. Click Text and select the desired text to the timeline. Hover your mouse over the text to preview it. When you finalize the text, drag and drop it to the timeline. Edit and adjust the text accordingly. Repeat the process for all videos inserted on the timeline. Now, it's time to add background music to your video before exporting it. Go to ChatGPT and ask it to suggest some background music for such types of videos available on YouTube Audio Library. Copy the desired title for music and go to YouTube Audio Library of your YouTube channel. Paste the copied title. Listen to the filtered music and download the one that best suits to your video. Drag the downloaded music file to Clipchamp to upload it. After that, drag the music file to the timeline to upload it to your video. Cut and delete the excessive part of the music. Export the final video. Your video is ready to be uploaded on the YouTube. That's all in this video. Thank you for watching.